If you've ever opened a SketchUp layout file and been hit with an error message, a broken viewport, red dimensions, or even a crash, you are definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common SketchUp layout errors and show you the practical fixes that can save you a huge amount of time. We'll cover file corruption issues, view glitches, dimension problems, render crashes, and extension conflicts, all in a simple step-by-step way. And if this kind of tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more SketchUp and layout troubleshooting guides. All right, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common and frustrating issue, the dreaded error reading file message. This usually happens when a layout file has trouble opening properly, and one of the biggest causes is saving directly to cloud storage, like OneDrive or Dropbox. While cloud storage is convenient, it can interfere with file access timing and create sync conflicts that may corrupt your file. The safest fix is to move your SketchUp and layout files to a local folder on your computer before opening or saving them. Use a folder on your desktop or in your Documents drive, and then work from there. If your file opens normally after being moved locally, that was very likely the cause. To avoid the problem in the future, try to keep your working files off live synced cloud folders until you're completely finished with them. Next up is viewport misalignment, which is when your scenes jump, shift, or no longer match what you expected inside layout. This can be especially confusing when your SketchUp model looks right, but layout is displaying a different view. A good fix here is to go back into SketchUp, check the camera position, and make sure the scene is properly set. Once the camera is exactly where you want it, resave the scene in SketchUp. Then come back into layout and refresh or update the viewport. If the scene still looks off, try using the previous option in layout to reset the view connection. This can help re-establish the correct relationship between the model and the viewport. In many cases, the issue comes down to the scene not being saved cleanly, so a fresh resave often solves it. Now let's fix dimension errors. If your dimensions have turned red inside layout, that usually means the dimension has lost its connection to the model geometry. This often happens if entity IDs change in SketchUp, especially after edits, deletions, or model adjustments. When that connection breaks, layout can no longer track the exact point it was measuring. The easiest fix is to redraw the dimension manually if needed, or use the relink option if it's available in your version. If the model has changed a lot since the dimension was created, redrawing may be the fastest and cleanest solution. To reduce the chance of this happening again, try to finish major model edits before doing detailed layout annotation work. That way, your dimensions are less likely to lose their reference points. Another common problem is render issues, or full crashes while working in layout. If the software is freezing, lagging, or throwing up errors when updating a model viewport, the render mode may be part of the problem. One effective fix is to switch the model rendering from vector to raster in the SketchUp model panel. Raster is often faster and can reduce strain on your system, especially with complex models or older computers. Vector looks cleaner for certain drawings, but it can be much heavier to process. If switching to raster stabilizes the file, you can keep working and then test other rendering modes later if needed. If the crashes continue, another option is to run the repair function through the SketchUp or layout installer. This can fix damaged program files and restore missing components without you having to reinstall everything from scratch. Now let's deal with bug splat and extension-related problems. If SketchUp or layout keeps crashing and you're seeing issues tied to a recent plugin, that extension may be the cause. The best way to test this is to remove any recently installed or updated plugins from the SketchUp extensions folder. On Windows, you can usually find this inside Users, then your username, then App Data, then Roaming, then SketchUp. Once you're there, look for the extension files that were added recently and move them out temporarily. After that, reopen SketchUp or layout and see if the crash stops. If it does, you've likely found the conflict. You can then decide whether to update that extension, replace it, or keep it disabled. Always make sure you only remove 1 or 2 recent changes at a time so you can identify the exact cause. A very important troubleshooting tip is to work systematically. Don't change everything at once, because then you won't know what actually fixed the issue. Start with the most likely cause first, such as cloud synced files. Then move to scene updates, dimensions, rendering mode, and finally extensions. That step-by-step approach is the fastest way to narrow down SketchUp layout errors without making the problem worse. And if you're working on important projects, it's always smart to keep backups before experimenting with fixes. So, to quickly recap, if you get an error reading file, move the file out of cloud storage and save locally. If your viewport is misaligned, fix and resave the scene in SketchUp or use previous in layout. If dimensions turn red, redraw them or relink them because the model reference has likely changed. If you're getting crashes or render problems, switch from vector to raster or run the repair option. And if bug spot appears, remove recent plugins and test again. I hope this video helped you solve your SketchUp layout error faster and with less frustration. If it did, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more software fixes, workflow tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.